Hi, this is our group, and we are working on the project. We have worked on the project employee attrition and factor analysis for workforce retention. It's me, Sabinati Malsina, and our group members are Ajay Karki, Sarvjit Rishi, Bhaskar, and Tajmal. So let's begin. Our project client title is the company name is VRR Technology, and the client name is Mr. Rafa, and our project supervisor is Dr. Mohammed Dawa. So content of our slide is project overview, client requirements, project design approaches, comparison, results, visualization, limitation, conclusion and future work, references, and the video link of our presentation. So the overview of our project is mainly addresses the employee attrition factors analysis with the data that has been provided by our client in CSV format. And this project is based on binary classification problem where we have to find out whether our target variable attrition output value is yes or no, and the project workflow is followed based on the data analysis process that includes data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, data transformation, model building, testing, and visualization. We have implemented decision tree classifier and random forest classifier algorithm in our project, but the result from forest classifier is found to be more accurate. And testing was done by dividing datasets into the ratio of 80 to 20%, where we'll be using 80% of our data for training, and for the testing purpose, we'll be using 20% of our data. And we use Tableau for the visualization of our data in user dashboard, which was our client requirement. And so the client requirements, we had to analyze the data of employee attrition to obtain trends and correlation between different factors and determine which are the factors that has high importance for employee attrition. And we have to implement predictive model to predict employee attrition factors, and we have to visualize the factors with high importance in the user dashboard form. So overall project design was conducted using the data analytics lifecycle, where we had to understand our data cleaning and transformation, data enhancement, data analytics, and data visualization. So all of the cleaning and exploratory data analysis and all the data transformation regarding converting categorical data into numerical form, all of those things were done during the data transformation phase. And later those data are transformed into our model for the data analysis process, where we used decision tree classifier and random forest. And for the data visualization, we have used Tableau. So for the as a design approach, we use two different algorithms: decision tree classifier and random forest classifier. So and we have done it using the sklearn libraries, and by by our model, we came to a conclusion that while finding the accuracy of decision tree classifier was quite low with compared to the random forest classifier. So we found out that random forest classifier was the best approach for us. So uh, and for the enhancement of our model, we have used different techniques like gradient boosting, which will reduce the overfitting of our data, so that the data will not be get trained with our training data provided. So it will be able to provide more accurate results. So we found that the random forest classifier was more accurate, and with the implementation, we found top 10 attributes with high feature importance, like monthly income, age, years at company, total working years, overtime, daily rate, a monthly rate, distance from home, hourly rate, etc. So here is the chart of what are the feature importances of the variables we found out. So lastly, the visualization of our data was done using Tableau. So here we can see all the counts based on the filters we have applied. The filter can be changed later, so that all the data will be changed based on the filter selected. So this is the visualization part, and then and as a conclusion, we found out that the random forest classifier was the best algorithm for us with the accuracy of 89.49%. And after applying different methods like bootstrap aggregating, gradient boosting, so all the problems of overfitting and biasness were reduced. And the limitation of our project is it doesn't support real-time data, so we'll can implement that in future, so it is a future work. And also in future we can use cloud platform for the scalability of our system, and we can also work on generating the detailed report. So here are the reference that we followed for our presentation. So this was from our end. Thank you. Record বন্ধ করে দাও,
है ना, बोल रहे थे